Okay, so here
Sir, we have learned about buttons.
yes, Vishnu. Then
And we have learned about blocks coding.
blocks coding. Okay, then
Then
how to use
how to
the
use
button? I'm
the
hearing
button.
some
I'm hearing some
echo.
echo.
Please mute yourself, everyone. Yes.
Sir, and then horizontal arrangement.
Yes, Vedika. We use the horizontal arrangement and then sounds, right? How to add sounds and play the piano, right? So we have learned about the sounds, horizontal arrangement, and buttons, right? So here in today's session, we are going to learn about image, how to add an image and set the property for those images, and a notifier. Okay, what is notifier means? See, okay, if I open so suppose when your phone battery is very low, one message will be showing, right? One alert message. Okay, your battery is very low, please put on charger, like
Sir,
that.
notification.
Yeah, the notification. Okay, means the alert message will be showing, right? Suppose if you are opening any file and if you are edit and doing some work and you are closing that file, means it will show one notify
Sir, it
message,
will
right?
like in WhatsApp, it shows a message when someone.
Yeah. If you are going to close that file, means it will show a notifier, right? Do you want to save
Yes,
this
sir.
file or not? One notify message will be showing, right? That is called the notifier. Okay, so there is a notifier. We are going to see how to use this notifier and text to speech. Okay, what is this text to speech means?
Sir, like the AI reads the text.
Yes, exactly.
Sir, the AI voice reads the text to the speech.
Yes, exactly. AI reads your text. What are the text you are typing? The text will be read out. Okay, using this text to speech component. Okay, so this is these three components. Using these three components, we are going to make one simple app. Okay, so in the meantime, students, you just send your mail ID in chat box. Okay, I will send some files. You can download that files in your computer. That will be useful for you to doing this app. Okay, so one by one, send your mail ID in chat box. Okay. Yeah, I received from Vishnu Vedika. www.vedika.
Yes, sir.
You have your website. You have your website. Your own.
No, sir, that's an Gmail ID.
Okay, fine. Okay, I will share some files in your mail. Just wait.
Sir, should we create a new project in the MI app inventor?
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you know, you can create the new project. Okay, in the name of My Vegetables.
My vegetables.
The project we are going to make is My Vegetables. Okay, just wait. In the meantime, I'll just.
Sir, my vegetables.
Yeah, My Vegetables. I'm sending you the files. Just wait. Vishnu. Vishnu and Vedika, you can check your mail. I sent you the Google Drive link. Okay, just go open that Google Drive and download the many folders will be there. Okay, so those are the folders which contains files required for doing the app. Okay, So in that my vegetable folder will be there. Okay, just download the my vegetable folder from that Google Drive file.
Sir, do we need to download all the files?
Yes. Actually, we have
Vegetable?
to. Yeah. All the file. Actually, you have to download all the folders. Okay. Not in today's session, only the vegetable folder is enough. Okay. After that, you can download all the files and copy it to in your computer.
Hello, sir. I did not receive the mail.
Who?
Sir, me, Sir Vishnu.
Vishnu. Okay. Just wait a minute. Vedika, you received the file, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, fine. Sri Mahavir 2010@gmail.com. Okay. Satvik and Mahavir, you can check your mail. Satvik and Mahavir, now you can check your mail. And okay, Satvik, now check it. Just now I sent it. Just check it.
Sir, I got it, sir. Sir, I'm Mahavir, I got it.
Who? Mahavir got it, right?
Yes,
Now for Vishnu. Okay, once again I'm checking. Vishnu KELI. Now Vishnu, check it.
Sir, received it now.
Yeah. Okay, Shiva Pranav. Okay. Satvik got it. Okay.
sir, I need to download every one of them and open my vegetables file, right?
Yeah. Now download only the my vegetables. Okay. After the session, you can download all the files that will be useful for the coming sessions. Okay. Srikanth. Okay. And Shiva Pranav, I'm sending you the link now. Now you can check it. Just now I sent it.
Okay, sir. Sir, should we download it?
Yeah, download it.
Sir, there is a image called screen background. Do we need to download that as well?
Yeah. Download everything. Okay. So I hope everyone received your mail, right? I think Gohit is not connecting. Other 5 have downloaded, right? Okay, fine. I mean, received the mail, right? Okay, I hope everyone downloaded, right, students, under the vegetable app. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, fine. Now we can start our app. So see students, what's the app we are going to make today is the My Vegetable app. Okay. So what is this app about? Means, see, it's a learning app. Okay. It's a learning app for kids. Okay. For learning the vegetable names. Okay. So the task is, we are going to make some list of images. Okay. With a list of vegetable images, we are going to choose 6 vegetable images. Okay. So the task is, when one vegetable image is clicked, then its name should be displayed. Okay, the name should be displayed using the notifier. Okay, notifier, I told you, the alert message like that, the name will be shown, and the name should be voiced out. Means the name should be read out using text to speech. Okay,
Text to speech.
yeah, text to speech. Okay, so that is a concept we are going to make. Okay, so let me show you the design, the sample design for this app. This is the sample design. Okay, so see here, students, these are the vegetable images. Okay, I am choosing these vegetable images. So the task is, if I click onion image, then the onion name should be shown below, and the onion text should be read out using the text to speech, like it's onion, like that. The voice should be coming. Okay, there's a task. Okay, this is a learning app for kids. Okay, so see, in top of it, can you see the My Vegetable heading? Okay, can anyone tell me how we can give this heading as My Vegetable? What component I can use for displaying this heading? Anyone?
Label.
Label. Good, Vedika. So
Label.
yeah, we use the piano app. No, in piano app we given the heading, right? So that's same only the heading we are going to use. Okay, so let's start. I think some of you have not attended the workshop, right? I will tell you the procedure, how to enter into the platform. Okay, so first just go to Google and search it as MIT App Inventor. Just go to Google and search MIT App Inventor. Okay, the first website it will show you appinventor.mit.edu. Okay, so just enter into this first website. Then the create apps button will be there. Okay, so just click this create apps button. Then first time if you are entering, it will ask you to accept the terms and conditions. Okay, just accept it, and then it will ask you to log in using your active Gmail account. Okay, so you just log in using your active Gmail account. Okay, in the same Gmail account only you have to use it. All your projects will be saved in that Gmail account. Okay, always use the same Gmail account. Okay, then yeah, that's it. Then in left side you can see the start new project. Okay, so click that start new project and give the name as My Vegetables. Okay, My Vegetables, then click OK, so that the new project will be created and the screen will looks like this. Okay, so I think who have not attended the workshop? Mahavir, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I attended it, but not the entire thing, so I don't know.
Okay, okay. Shiva Pranav also not attended the workshop. Yes? Yes, fine. So now we just enter into this software now. Enter into this MIT App Inventor.
For MIT Inventor, no, sir?
Yeah, MIT App Inventor. Just go to Google and search it as MIT App Inventor. Okay. Then enter into that first website, appinventor.mit.edu. Then click Create Apps. Then
Sir, can I share my screen or like, because I almost did it. I don't know what to do.
yeah. Share your screen.
Yes, sir. Sir, can you see?
Yeah, open. Yeah. Close. Just click close. Yeah, then left side you can see the start new project, right? Click that start new project and give the project name as my vegetable. Okay.
Sir, I gave it, but why is it not responding?
Yeah, sir, is this coding class for Friday?
Yes.
Sir, can you accept the which I have sent? It's Rishit, sir.
Rishit.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, yeah, yes, underscore will be coming. Okay. Now, yes, just wait. The fresh page will be appear. Okay, just double click that my vegetable.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, should I stop sharing?
Yeah, now stop your screen share. I hope everyone got this screen, right? Mahavi, who's that? Shiva Pranav, do you got this screen? Do you enter into this app inventor? If you have any issues, tell me. I will help you.
No, sir.
You did not get this screen.
Sir, I got.
Got it. Okay. So now students, we can, I think everyone have got this screen, right? Okay. Okay. Now see, listen students, what's the, so let me explain the screen property. My label is done, Sathik. Okay, good. Your label is done. Okay, fine. Before to that, we have to set some property to the screen. Okay, see, in the screen, it will show you the app name. Okay, the app name, the project name, what you have given, that will be shown in this app name. Okay, so anytime you can change your app name. App name is nothing but after you install that app, below it will show you the name, right? WhatsApp, Facebook, like that, the name will be shown, right? So that name you should change. You can change it anytime. Okay, so since I given underscore, I'm deleting the underscore. Okay, so that you can change your app name at any time. Okay, then you want to give any background color, you can give. If you want to add any background image to the screen, you can add it. Okay, then the icon image. See, the icon image is something. But see, this is the icon image for Zoom. If you see this app in Zoom app in your mobile, this is the icon image, right? So for WhatsApp, this is the icon image, right? So you can upload any icon image for your app. Okay, if it is none means nothing will be shown. Okay, so I'm going to upload one icon image for my app. So I'm going to go to that and choose file, and I'm going to choose, so if you downloaded that file, one icon, my vegetable icon image will be there. Okay, so you just select it and upload that icon image. Okay, so I'm uploading the icon image. So the icon image will be uploaded. Okay, here in the designer, you can't see the icon image. After you install that app in your mobile, you can see the icon image. Okay. Okay, students. So now I have added the icon image. Okay. Now here, if you want to set any property, you can change it. Okay. So nothing I want to more change, and just keeping as it is. Okay. So now coming to our vegetable app. So here, what's the first thing? I have to add this label, right? So how to add this label? So maybe the workshop students may easily understand. Okay. So listen here, left side you can see the many components required for doing this app. Okay, component is nothing but if you see any app, it consists of many number of components. Okay, for example, an image is a component. Okay, one button is a component, a video, any player is a component. Okay, so here the component I'm going to add is label. Okay, if you want to display any text, okay, if you want to display any text as a heading, as an instruction, or as many lines, attractive lines, as a paragraph means, you can add this label. Okay, so I'm going to add this label. So how to add this component means just drag it and place it inside the screen. That's it. Okay, so now I just added one label. Okay, now I'm going to set the properties for this label. Okay, so I'm going to set the background color to be green, so that the background color can be changed, and font bold, and the font size I'm going to make it as 25, and height for that label I'm going to give it as 10%, and width I'm going to make it as fill parent. Fill parent is nothing but, you know, all the entire width will be occupied. Okay, so I'm going to choose it as fill parent. And in the text, what's the text I have to give here? Anyone?
My vegetables.
My
Yes.
vegetable.
So I'm going to give the text as my vegetables. Okay, and I want the text to be in center, so click text alignment and make it as center. That's it. Okay, so now it will looks like this. If you want to increase the font size more, you can increase, maybe 30 means it will be shown like this. Okay, so once again I'm repeating, in the palette you can take this label, take it and paste it inside here. Okay, and the property for this label are, just change any background color you want. I'm choosing green. Okay, then font bold, font size I'm increasing to 30, and height I'm going to make it as 10%, and width fill parent, and the text as my vegetables. Okay, and the text alignment center. Okay, so just do these steps, students, and if you done, just send message just done, or give thumbs up if you complete
Sir,
it.
I'm clicking on label, but it's like it's not coming. I'm not able to see, like I'm not able to write anything.
You have to increase the font size.
No, sir, actually there is no option called text to write the label, and there is also not coming that your label number 1.
You have to drag it and paste it inside. See,
Okay.
you have to drag and paste it inside the screen, then only you can see the property.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it.
Yes. Rishit, right? Hi, Rishit. Label done. Okay. Rishit, can you hear me? Yes, Rishit. Rishit, do you attended the workshop?
No, sir.
You did not attend the workshop. Okay, fine. Rishit, your voice is very low, and you're having laptop, right? You joined using your laptop, right? Yes. Okay, Rishit, do one thing. Go.
Am I audible now?
Yeah, now it's better. Okay. So in your laptop, you know,
Sir, this is a PC, sir. Laptop.
yeah, PC or laptop, yeah, any system, that's fine. Okay, I sent one link in chat box. Open that link. Okay, I sent a link in chat box. Open that link, then it will show you the create apps button. Just click that create apps button. Okay, nothing but go to Google and search it as MIT App Inventor, and then go to this first website. This is the link I sent you, MIT App Inventor. Just enter into this MIT App Inventor, and after you open that link, in left side it can show you the create apps. Okay, click that create apps button. Then, so first time if you are entering, it will ask you to accept the terms and conditions and login using, yeah.
Sir, now I'm in the project, sir.
Now you are in the project. Okay, means, so the left side you can see the start new project, right? Click that start new project and give the project name as my vegetables. Okay, Rishik.
Type something random, sir.
You type something random. Okay, fine. Or else you can start new project and give the name as my vegetables. If you see this project and start new project, select this start new project and give the project name as my vegetables. Okay. Then the new project will be shown like that. Okay, shown like this. Then the first step you have to do is take one label. Okay, in the left side you can see the label. Okay, so just add one label. Okay, and place it over. Just drag it and place it inside. That's it. Okay, just drag it and place it inside this screen. Then give the property as, see, I'm giving the label background color to be green and the font size 30, height 10 with the fill parent and the text as my vegetables. Okay, got it, Rishik?
Yeah, sir.
Text alignment and center. Yeah, now do it. And I hope everyone completed your first step, right, students?
Yes, sir.
Mahavir, Shiva Pranav.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, when I'm clicking on text alignment center,
Hmm.
sir, the label is not going to the center, sir. It's still to the left.
The label is not coming to the center means you should, did you give the property width as fill parent? Give the width property as fill parent. Check it. Then it will come to center.
Sir, can we increase
Sir,
the
where
font
do
size
I-
to 40?
Yeah. Please. Yes. Yes, Mahavir, now got it right.
Sir, where do I
With.
label fill parent?
With label 1 with and select it as fill parent. Fill parent and click OK.
With.
Yeah,
Yes,
with.
sir.
Yes. Now it comes in center, right?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Share your
Fill
screen.
parent.
Share your screen. Yeah. Fill parent and click OK. Then the text will comes in center.
Oh, sir, I forgot to click OK.
Yeah, that's the.
Yes, sir. Now it came.
Okay, students. So now moving to the next step. Okay, Rishik, you just do it. Okay. Sorry, Rishik, you just listen now. Everyone listen here. Okay. So the next, so I have given this my vegetable heading. This is app we are going to make today, right? So my vegetable heading is given. Now I have to add these images. Okay. So see here, the images are arranged in table, right? It's like a table arrangement, right? So you can, before in the piano app, only one arrangement I needed. So I just used the horizontal arrangement. Okay. So here, but see one box, it's like in a box, right? So I'm going to use the table arrangement. Okay. So how to add this table arrangement? So you just scroll down and go to layout. Listen everyone, while I'm teaching, just stop your work and listen. Okay, I will give you enough time to do. Okay, so while I'm teaching, just stop your work and listen. So now go to this layout and here there is a component called table arrangement. Okay, so just take the table arrangement. Okay, now do you know the rows and columns in table, right? The table.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, see here. So for my design, see how many rows I should need. So first
3
row,
rows.
second row, third row. Yes, exactly. So 3 rows and columns,
2
2
columns.
columns, right? So this is what I'm going to put here. So I'm going to set the rows as 3. Okay, just I'm going to set the rows as 3 and don't set any other property. Okay, just set the rows only 3. Okay, now I'm going to add the image components. Okay, so now go to user interface. Go to user interface and see in user interface you can see all the components, right? So I'm going to use the image component. Okay, so just take that image component, drag it, and if you place it near, see the blue color box, the blue color grid lines will be shown. Okay, so you should put the component inside the blue color box only. Okay, so the first image I have added and the second image and third one you should be below, right? So the third image inside here, inside the blue color box, and the fourth image, don't add it here. If you add it here means it will be an error. Okay, so exactly put it here and the box, inside the box you have to put it. Okay, fourth one and the fifth one, the last. Okay, so I have added 6 images. Okay, after you added all the images, then only you have to set the height and width. Okay, so I'm going to set the height to be so see 10% height I had given for the vegetable app, right? I mean the vegetable heading, right? So balance how many is there? Balance 90% is there, right? So I'm going to set the 90% height for this table arrangement. Okay, so the 90% height for table arrangement and the width to be fill parent or 100%. Okay, so the balance height and width will be occupied. Okay, now the image, I have to set the property for the images. Okay, so can anyone tell me how much height I can give for each image so that the entire space will be occupied, effectively occupied? How much height I can give for
30%.
exactly, very good.
30%.
Yes, yes. See, the total height is 90, right, for this table arrangement. So I'm going to use 3 height vertically, I mean 3 image vertically. So I have to give 30, 30, 30 to occupy the entire space. Okay, so the property for these images are, just make it as clickable first. Okay, make it as clickable, and height I'm going to give it as 30%. Okay, clickable means then only it will work. Okay, if you're not making it as clickable, means if you click that image, nothing will happen.
Sir, can you show again?
Yeah. What, Vishnu?
Sir, can you show again how will do?
Yeah, I'm showing that only. First, you have to add the images. Okay, then I'm explaining the property for the images. So just make, don't do it. Just listen. Okay. Now the property for this label, and first you have to make it as clickable and height 30%, and width I'm going to choose. So how much width I can give? Anyone?
50%.
50%.
Exactly. So 2 images, right? So I'm giving 50% width. Okay. Now picture. So in this picture only, you have to upload the vegetable picture one by one. Okay. So the first picture, I'm going to upload the carrot. I think Rishit have not received the image, right? So Rishit, you just send your mail ID in chat box. Okay. I will send you the Google Drive link.
Sir, download any pictures? No, sir.
Yes, Rishit. Yeah, you can download any pictures if you want. Yes, that's not a problem. Okay, but for the coming projects, you can't find any file in Google. It's quite difficult to find. So just send your mail ID. I will share all the files, so that will be easy for to adding the files. Okay. Yeah. So now the first image I have added, and the second image also. So always make the same property, right? So make it as clickable and height 30 and width 50%, and upload your second image. Okay. So now students, everyone start doing it. If you have any doubts, you can ask me now.
Sir,
Yes.
so when I'm keeping the images in the column, sir, like in the box, sir, only 4 are I kept 4 of them in, sir, but how can I keep the 5th one? Because
did you given the rows as 3 in the table arrangement? You should give the rows as 3, then only you can have 6 images.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, give the rows as 3 and columns as 2. So students, now everyone start doing it, and those who completed, give thumbs up. Height 30 with 50 and sure cabbage. Yes, Satvik done. Good, Satvik.
Sir, where should I click to upload the file?
The picture property, no?
Oh, yes, sir. Okay.
Yeah. So the picture property you can see. and make sure the images should be clickable. Okay. Like 30 and with 50. And students, if you have any problem, just ask me. Don't sit idle. I will help you. Yes. Satvik, do you want to ask something?
Sir, I'm done.
Done. If you're done, give thumbs up. Okay. Don't raise your hand. Yeah. Yes, Vedika. Vedika and Satvik, do you want to ask something? You raised your hand. Don't have thumbs up. You don't have thumbs up. Why?
Sir, in wise there's no thumbs up.
No thumbs up. Oh, in the Wiseup, there is no thumbs up. Okay, okay. But in the chat, you can send, right? Maybe.
Sir, I'm clicking on the file that I want to like upload. Sir, like to show on the screen one. Sir, but the file is not uploading.
File is not uploading.
Yes, sir. I'm clicking upload file. Clicking on choose file. Sir, I'm clicking on my vegetables. Sir, I'm clicking OK. Sir, but it's not coming on the like on the area that I wanted to.
Share your screen. Let me see.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Satvik. No, you should no wait. There is some issue. Click table arrangement. Wait, Satvik. Wait, Mahavir. In the table arrangement, you should set the height and width. Height 90% and width 100%.
Okay.
Yeah, height 90 and width 100. Yeah, click OK. Now click image 1 and set the property 30, 50. Okay, set all the image property now.
Sir, all the image.
Yeah, all the image. Make it as clickable and yeah, height 30 and width 50. You should click OK. Yes. Yeah. Do the same for all the images and click image 1. Why is that image is not showing? Click image 1.
Sir, he did some other image, not the fruit or vegetable.
Yes, I think so. I think yeah, go to upload file. Yeah, it's a zip file. Okay, you have to unzip it. You download it as a zip file, Mahavir.
Sir, how do I unzip it?
Yeah, open that folder. Open that download folder where you downloaded. Open that location.
Sir, this one.
I think your screen paused. Just stop your screen share and then again give screen share.
Sir, you can just click on the picture from their upload file and choose one, sir.
Sir, can you see? Yes, sir. 1 minute and we'll stop share and login.
Yeah.
Sir, completed.
Okay, good.
Sir, can you see?
Yeah, open that location first. Open that location where you downloaded. I'm seeing only the Zoom.
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
Yeah, you should unzip it. Right click and unzip. Right click.
So right click. Right.
Yeah. Wait. It's loading. Just wait. Others, everyone completed the design, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. And what about Rishit? Yeah, extract here. Yes. Or extract here. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Sir, even mine is going to be done, sir. 2 minutes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I clicked on it and it's called.
Okay. Scroll down. Maybe the file will be downloaded as a folder. It's not there. Okay. Just open, double click that folder.
Sir, I already double clicked and it already opened.
Yeah, opened. Okay. Now copy that. Click that my vegetable. Copy. No, don't open. Go back.
Sir, 1 minute.
Click that folder option, or else click that.
Sir,
Okay, again, just close it, then again open it. Yeah.
Sir, 1 minute.
No, double click, just double click. Yeah, click that. Don't double click, just click my vegetable app. Yeah. Copy, Control C, and paste it, and create one coding folder. And students, everyone create one folder for coding. Okay, as coding course, and copy all the files inside that coding folder. Okay, you can copy. You can make it in the desktop or any other folder. Yeah, it's already downloaded. It's already there. The downloads.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now go to MIT App Inventor. Yeah, now go to upload file. Yeah, now open that folder. Now select the first image, carrot. Okay. Just wait.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, it came.
So like this we have to do it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, first set the height and width for all the images.
Yes, sir.
Sir, mine is done, sir.
Who?
Ishit, sir.
Is it done? Okay, good. And Vishnu completed, right?
Yes, sir, completed.
Yes. So Satvik, Vedika, Rishit, Vishnu, Shiva Pranav had left the meeting. Okay, students. So now we can do the blocks. Okay, I will tell you the blocks. Okay, so see, students, listen, everyone, listen here first. So what is the task here? Okay, okay, or else we can do the blocks afterwards. So see here, we have to add the new components, right? What's the new component?
Sir, the task is that if we click this text to speech and notification.
Yes, fine. And what's the component we have to add? What are the
Notifier.
Yes, exactly.
Notifier.
Yeah, it's in this here, this user interface. You can take it from here. Just add one notifier. Okay, and one more thing, the text to speech, right? So go to media and take this text to speech. Okay, so this text to speech is nothing but it will convert your text into speech. Okay, so you have to add these two components. Okay, now I will tell you the blocks for the first one, only one. Okay?
Sir, where
Yeah.
to add the notifier, sir?
Notifier, just add it. It's a non-visible component. It's a non-visible component. You can add anywhere inside the mobile screen. Okay, so now add it. Okay, so now see, students, so what is the task?
Sir, what should we do? Can you show it again? Like from after uploading?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, there is no text to speech in my
Media. You just go to media, Vedika.
Sir,
Go to media.
the task is if you click the vegetable, the text to speech should read the vegetable's name.
Yes, exactly. Okay, so
And it should give a notifier.
Yeah, exactly. So these two components you have to add it. Okay, so first the notifier that you can take it from this user interface, just click it, the notifier will be there. just add it here. Okay, then go to media and take this text to speech. Okay, these two components you have to add it. Okay, now the task is, so just click image one. Left side you can see all the blocks, right? So just click image one. Okay, then take this when image one dot click. Okay, when image one is clicked, what should happen? First, the notifier should show the message, right? So go to notifier and take this notifier dot alert message. Okay. This alert message is nothing but it will show the name. Okay, so I'm just called the notifier to show the alert. Okay, and what message I want to show? The name, right? The name of the vegetable, right? So you just go to text. Okay, in the text, and just scroll up the first command, the empty text. Just take this empty text and place it over here, and here we have to type the message which you want to show. Okay, so what's the message I want to show? The carrot, right? Because since the first image is carrot, for my design I added the carrot as a first image. Okay, so when image one is clicked, what message it should show? The carrot, right? So here we have to type the message.
So can you show the text again?
Yeah,
To show carrot, sir.
yeah, click text and scroll up. Okay, click text and scroll up the first command, the empty command, that you should take it and paste it here. Okay, understand everyone how to add the notifier?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So then the text to speech. So for text to speech, just click this text to speech and take this command, call text to speech to speak message. Okay, so this is the command to convert your text and to speak. Okay, this is a command to read out your text. Okay, so call text to speech to speak the message. So what's the message I want to read? Just go to text and same process, take the empty text, and here you should type the message which you want to read out. So I'm going to type the message as it's carrot. Okay, so that what will happen when you click image one, this carrot image, the carrot name will be shown using the notifier, and the carrot text will be read out using that text to speech. Okay, understand everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now you can start doing these blocks.
Sir, where do I get that that blank like empty tag?
Text. Go to here, the text, no? Go to text and scroll up the first block, the empty text. That you should take.
So then speak.
Yeah, just scroll down, click this text to speech.
Okay, sir.
Okay, text to speech, and take this call text to speech to speak. Okay. Okay, students, actually it's time. So everyone understand this, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So the same way you have to do for all the
Sir?
Yes.
So for me, when I click on text to speech, it's showing some internal error.
Means it just refresh the tab. Maybe there is a issue with the block. You just refresh the tab. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
should I do anything like to like OK or something, or it will directly come in the designer thing?
What? Okay.
Sir, like should I click OK or something so that it will be applied in the when I click the carrot?
Yeah, when you click carrot, if you type OK, then OK message will be shown. Whatever text I am typing, that will be shown. Okay.
Sir, so now I went to designer and clicked on carrot, but it's showing nothing.
No, here it will not show. We have to check it after checking the output. Okay.
Yes, sir. I went to designer and then.
No. It won't work. It won't work. I will tell you how to check it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We have to check it using your mobile only. I will tell you. So in the same way, students, do the blocks for all the images. Okay, carrot. So you have to go to your designer and check what is the second image. It's cucumber, right? So do the blocks for cucumber. Means call notify to show the message as cucumber, and text to speech to say the name. Okay, everyone understand, right, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, and Shiva Pranav, I think you left the meeting. Do you understand these blocks?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I'm going to give you this as an exercise, okay, home exercise. So try to do all the blocks for all the images. So up to image 6, right? So try to do it. Anyone have doubts, students?
No, sir.
No. Okay. So next class we will see. Okay, and I will tell you how to check the outputs. Maybe
Sir, how do I save this thing? Sir,
it will be automatically saved. If you want to save, means see if you have any network issue, then there is a problem with the saving. Since they click save project, no, just project and click the save project. So the project will be saved. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. And Rishit, do you understand the blocks, right?
Yes, yeah, sir. I'm in the fourth picture right now, sir.
Yes, very good, very good. Okay, students. So everyone do your work. I think we have to end the class. Okay. So next class we will. Yes.
Sir, we can delete the images also.
Delete the image. Yeah, you want, if you any unwanted images there, you can delete it. Just click this. Any component if you want, delete here, delete it. Okay. Just select that image and delete it. Okay.
Sir, I kept all the pictures. I need to like do that blocks.
Okay. Okay, students. So now I'm ending the session. Okay. Just try to complete before the next class. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So next class we will see the output, and I will also give some exercise. Okay. Okay, students. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. I'm going to end the session, students. No doubts, right? Everyone?
Yes, sir. No.
Yes. Shiva Pranav, Vishnu, Vedika, Rishit.
Sir,
No doubts.
No doubt, sir. Mine is,
I'm in the 5th image.
Yes. Vedika.
sir, mine is completed.
No doubts, sir.
Yes. Okay, students. Yours completed. Who completed?
Sir, Rishit, sir.
Rishit. Okay. Nice. Very good. Okay. I will tell you how to check the output in next class. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, students. So now I'm ending the session. Okay. Bye, everyone. We'll see you on next class. Okay.
Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Bye bye.